topic. What basically HTML is. HTML is a standard markup language for our web pages. With HTML you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn and we are going to enjoy it. Now what is HTML? HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. It is used to create a web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML elements are represented by tags. Okay, the representation of HTML elements are with the help of tags. HTML tag label pieces of content such as headings, paragraph, table, and so on. Now, how we are going to edit our file in HTML? HTML editors. Now, write HTML using a notepad, that is for your PC, and text edit for your Mac, that is your Apple computers. Step to open a notepad PC, Windows 8 or later, anyone, Windows 8.1 or 10. Open a start screen, the window symbol at the bottom left on the screen, type notepad. And for the Windows 7 or earlier like Via Vista and many more, open Start Program Accessory Notepad. This is the way you are going to edit your HTML. Now what are the basics of HTML? All HTML document must start with a document type declaration, that is your doc type HTML. So this is your starting. This is going to tell you your file has been saved in a document type. Okay, document type is of your HTML. The HTML document itself begin with the HTML and close with the HTML close brackets. Okay, means the brackets are very necessary and this closing bracket is also very necessary. The visible part of the HTML body is with the help of body tag. With the help of a body tag we can put our attributes in our HTML documents. Now in a document, we will study about HTML headings. Now, HTML headings are defined into H1 to H6, means H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Your H1 display for the most important headings, H6 defined for the least important. Means H1 will be your heading and H6 size will be your minimum size. Now, HTML paragraph. For paragraph we have the tag, P tag, HTML link. For linking it's your A tag, that is going to link your page from one page to another. This is your linking. Your HTML image are defined with the image tag. HTML image are defined with the image tag, that is your img tag. The source file is your src. Alternative text is your alt with height are provided as an attribute. These are the attributes for the image tag. Now HTML buttons. HTML buttons are defined with the button tag, on and off buttons. HTML list, that is defined as a UL, unordered or bullet list. OL, ordered and a number list. LI, that is your listing your items. These are your HTML list. Now this is your example. DOC type is your header type in which your HTML is going to be typed. HTML is the font, okay, that your HTML page has been started. Head, body, the main attributes are going to be in this. H1, my first HTML page, and this is your closing of the tag. Same with the P, paragraph, body is closed, then your HTML. Closings of the tags are very important. Okay. Now what are HTML elements? An HTML element usually consists of start tag and a end tag. Now as we were talking about the starting of the tag and the ending tag, in HTML element this is very important to be considered. Okay, the tag name and the content whichever we want to type here and your tag name, and that is in your closing bracket. Now HTML element with the no content are called your empty tags. Now how many tags we have? We have two types of tag. Number one is your container tag, other is your empty tag. Container tag has the starting and ending buttons, your tags. and your empty has only the starting button. That is your BR tag. BR is for your break line. Okay. What are the HTML attributes? Attributes provide additional information. Okay. Now in previous we have talked about the elements. Now we will talk about the attributes. Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. All elements in HTML have attributes. Everyone, like body has an attribute like image, your heading, paragraph. Same as we have a image have its own attributes. Attributes provide the additional information about an element. Attribute can also specify in the start tag. Attribute usually comes in a name, value, pair, like, name equals to value. Okay, these are your attributes. Now the href attributes. We have studied about a tag. Now that is your links. HTML links are defined with the a tag. That was in your document, your a tag. The link address is specified in the href. This is your href link. A, that is your link. href is your attributes. HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol. S is for your service, server. Now www.school.com, this is a link. Okay. Now src attribute, that is for your image tag. HTML image are defined with the image tag. The file